delightful playground platform for all ages that follows Lucky, the ever optimistic and lovable hero, on his quest to find his inner strength and help his beloved sister rescue the Book of Ages from the nefarious shape. Head back to the era of classic platformers that challenges players of skill levels and all ages can enjoy in new Super Lucky Tales. It is available on Nintendo Switch. You go to playlist SLT.com to register to win free giveaways, including Nintendo Switch. You can follow Adam Baker, #Shake and Bake, on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Adam Baker, B-A-K-E-R, Airshows. Out of this world graphic paint scheme, magical graphic speed, gyroscopic flip on top, the Lucky Tumble, precision point rolls, and play ports. Playful is a video game developing studio that makes family-friendly video games for all ages. The aim is to bring joy to one world and one video game at a time. Now, Playful has partnered up with Adam Shake and Bake Baker, the guy in the air now, because of his fun personality and way he interacts with children on the ground. After his performance, make sure you make your way over to the performance ramp and see this one-of-a-kind storyboard on the aircraft he's the pilot that's flying right now. You can bring your camera and ask Adam for a free autograph card. I have no doubt that we will worth the time you spent to go over there. Adam, a first-generation aviator, recently on the cover of some of the top aviation trade magazines. First flight back in 2000, now with over 8,000 hours and 70 different types of aircraft, from light aerobatic planes to private jets to airliners to helicopters. Adam and his wife, Katie, work as full-time corporate pilots based in the Dallas area, where they travel all across the United States, and they do that with their son, Chad. Adam will post a video of his performance today on Facebook and also on Instagram and Twitter under Adam Baker Airshow. If you want to see what it's like to run through the show, check it out at Adam Baker Airshow. All of your favorite media sites, also check out the website on the World Wide Web, PlayfulAirshow.com. We'd like to thank Playful Corporation